Hello and welcome to the latest edition of Pork Talk. African swine fever has been one of the key drivers affecting the global pork market over the past 18 months. However, the recent outbreak of coronavirus also has the potential to impact on the market. In this video, we take a look at how the coronavirus outbreak is affecting the supply dynamic and how we think that this could impact the market in the coming months. Economic activity in China was much reduced over the New Year holiday and beyond as the government tried to limit the spread of the disease. Stocks of frozen food, not just of pig meat, are usually stockpiled in the run-up to the Chinese New Year. With a number of celebrations cancelled, frozen stocks were not depleted as usual. As such, temporary suspensions of imports were introduced for certain products. In the first week of February, China temporarily suspended pork trading and US hog futures declined as a result. Chinese consumers are traditionally very health conscious and so are avoiding public contact and social occasions where necessary. As such, out-of-home consumption has been severely impacted, especially since many restaurants are temporarily closed. Meanwhile, retail sales are also reported to be down, though only marginally. Reports suggest that consumers are opting for online food shopping, although this is limited by the capacity of the online retailers to cope. The outbreak of coronavirus is also causing significant disruption to supply chains. Reduced movements in and out of controlled areas has resulted in logistical challenges, particularly in getting feed in as well as product out. The coronavirus outbreak is only compounding the supply chain issues associated with African swine fever, and it is likely that we'll only see further logistical problems emerge as time goes on. Looking forwards, it is also likely that it will be more difficult for attempts at herd building to get underway. This could mean that Chinese pork production declines more than anticipated this year, generating an even larger supply gap, which may ultimately encourage imports. Production challenges associated with transport disruption and limited supplies have already provided support to Chinese pig prices in recent weeks. Some exporters believe that coronavirus outbreak could increase the demand for imported products in the long term. Of course, with the situation still developing, any possible impact is difficult to anticipate at this time. To keep up to date with the latest developments on how both African swine fever and the coronavirus outbreak is impacting on the market, please visit the AHDB Pork website or subscribe to our weekly newsletter.